The stigma of Ebola continues to be one of the biggest threats to effectively containing the outbreak. There's a lot of misinformation regarding the virus. So, how exactly does Ebola work? Well, it does not spread through food, air, or water. Direct contact between a victim is needed, most commonly through bodily fluids. So, measures to avoid contracting the virus are fairly straightforward. Firstly, hygiene and disinfectant are crucial. Secondly, avoid coming into contact with people already infected. That's why getting victims into early isolation is so important. But with no cure, treatment is difficult. It's very important to keep an eye out for the symptoms. Early detection could save lives. Initial symptoms are flu-like and can present themselves between 2 and 21 days after infection. They include high fever, headaches, joint and muscle pains, sore throat and weakness. These symptoms may not mean Ebola, but it's important to get checked out immediately. After that, symptoms become more severe and include diarrhea, vomiting, and eventually organ failure, lesions, and severe bleeding. In these cases, contact a medical professional immediately to have the victim evacuated. Maria Galang, CCTV.